Okay, I guess we are live. I hope we're live. I haven't done it in so long. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to line up everything on my phone. Hopefully we're live. Um, haven't had to do this in quite a long time, so let's see what happens. I'm just going to bring up my phone here so I can see if there's any comments. And of course, shut all my volumes off and everything. And give it a minute for everybody to join in. So that volume should be off. Where is it? There we go. Okay, we're good. So hello, Carol here from Class Act, and I've got a short but sweet unboxing video for you today. So hopefully everybody can see. Liz has laryngitis, so I'm kicking in, so bear with me. And if there's anything that you want, you can put it in the comments and we'll send you an invoice, or you can jump on online to classact.ca and go to Inspirational Thursday and click on today's date, or not today's date. And it's not Inspirational Thursday, it's unboxing. Oh my goodness. Unboxing video for Thursday. Nope, Tuesday. What day is today? Tuesday. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just having a rough day today. So Tuesday's unboxing, and click on November and you'll be all set. So before I can mess up things any more than I've already started to, I'm going to show you some awesome product that I'm super pumped. Of course, had to scoop right away too. So this is Paper Rose Jolly Holidays. Beautiful, beautiful paper line. This is all available in the store and online right now. This one is called Jolly Holidays 12 by 12. And as I said, you can leave a comment if there's anything you want, and we'll scoop it up and invoice it for you because it hasn't hit the store yet. Along with that is the embossed die cuts for the same collection. So pretty. So there's different sheets in here, as you can see on here. There's those. That's also with the Jolly Holidays. Jolly Holidays die cut and sentiments. This is awesome for cards. I can't wait to get my hands on it. Hey Sharon, how are you? So here's what's in here. It is so adorable. And they're all pop-outs, no fussy cutting. This would make some awesome cards. Hi Shirley, and great embellishments. So that is that one. I have to put it back as I'm taking it out because you know what? I will do it later. My hands don't want to work. And then we have the beautiful 6x6 paper collection. This is the same version as a 12 by 12, just smaller prints, but I will show you because I just love the colors in this collection. Like, let's look at the awesome cards that you can make with this. And this is the 12 by 12, just when you get the 12 by 12, it's just bigger. Hi, Sandra. And so you can do some amazing scrapbook layouts too. So 6 by 6 for cards, 12 by 12 for layouts. Oh, and they're double-sided. I'm so sorry. So have fun picking which side that you want. And there's I think 3 sheets of everything in there. So that is a really fun collection to work with. So that is Paper Rose Jolly Holidays. So I'll get this out of the way. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, let's do toppers. I love the Hunky Dory toppers. I'm obsessed with them. Hopefully next year we might be able to do some classes and stuff. I'm just not very good at it yet. So this one here, again, if you want anything, just mark it down because they haven't hit the store yet. So this is Following Your Yonder Star. And it also comes with a beautiful other sheet of cardstock. Again, you can make lots of cards from these. Liz is the master of making these. And we've got samples in the store. So this one here is just Merry Christmas. They all say makes at least 2 cards, but I have done the classes where we've got 7, 8 cards. So it all depends on your creativity and how fancy you want them. This one is Warmest Wishes. That. This one is In the Garden. Another beautiful one. These also work too for decorating your 6x6 albums or your journals. This is Snow Day, Winter Robins. And I think, I'm not sure if they have 1 sheet or 2. Just let me actually check. I think it's 2, but I could be wrong. Oh, it is. It's 2 different. So you get, I'll just take one out as an example. So not only do you get the beautiful topper pieces, you will get this sheet, and then you will get this sheet as well. Ooh, that's so nice. Card ideas flashing through my head. Okay, so gotta put that one back. I fell in love with this Santa when I saw him because he's amazing. And then this one has 2 sheets in it as well. So 2 different ones. I'm not going to take them all apart, but it should be on the website. So here is Owl My Love, because I know we have owl fans in the store. So we had to bring them in for you guys. This is, I believe this is the one that Liz did. Winter Sparkles. Yep, that's the one that Liz did. So there's a sample of that in the store. This one, Festive Nights. Beautiful, beautiful. Very elegant in your silvers and golds and your black with the splatters. Beautiful. Christmas by Candlelight. I love the very cozy feeling to these cards. This is, I think, new in the store as well. This one is a special someone. Very festive feeling to it. They always give you card samples. And on our website, you can also click on them. If there's card samples available, we always give you the inspiration. Love this, Horse and Carriage. This one is a Christmas carriage. Oh, surprise for the name. Oops. There's this one. Another great Santa one. This one's Santa's Workshop. Another beautiful collection. Quite frankly, I wish I could take one of each of them. For all our puppy lovers. This one is Santa Paws. I know I have polar bear lovers, so we had to get this one in. Festive Bear Hugs. Very, very cute as well, but look at that. That's so cute. I love it. And, of course, you guys know my things. Snowman, snowflakes, penguins. And this covers one of them. So this is very lovely. It's not too often you'll see the snowman in the red theme. Usually you'll get them in the blues. So that's very nice. There's that. Who would like to see a actual class on how to get more than 2 cards out of a pack? Something that maybe Liz and I could both work on. I could give that a try. If you would like to see a class on how to get more than 2 cards out of a pack, put comment card class. And we are again thinking of giving you January, February as a break and going right into Christmas cards of some sort every single month. This is Festive Animals. I just think this one is so adorable. And this one has a little kitty cat. So that's the Hunky Dory toppers. There's that. And we got, again, this embossing folder is amazing. I have it. It's Me Please. I love these kits. What's Me Please, Sharon? Can you be specific? Because otherwise I'll just give you one of every snowman that we have. So if you would like a class, put class. If you want something, just let me know and we'll tuck it aside for you, Sharon. This one here is the Lisa Horton Pine Cones. Very beautiful stencil. Lots of depth and dimension to it. Love it, love it. This is new. It's the framed poinsettia. So this does a 6x6 card. Now I'm sure if you wanted it smaller, you could just downsize it here, but there's a die that actually cuts out that centerpiece. It is absolutely lovely. That one I might have to take myself. It's going over to the Carol pile. Classes, please. Oh, thank you, Sharon. Got it, got it. And we had a lot of people asking for the Hunky Dory finger dauber case. So this comes with your case, and there are, I'm trying to see, 40, is there 40 daubers? Let me just do the math here. Why would they make that easy for me? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 40 daubers for $36.79. These have been getting scooped up already before we even showed that we have them. So if you want them, daubers is your way to go, and they're awesome. They're my go-to for a lot of things. Finally in is the Lisa Horton limited edition inks. I wonder if I can open this. Of course not. It has Jingleberry, Mistletoe, and Arctic Frost. So these are a limited edition set for Lisa Horton. Okay. Yep, that was Jingleberry, Merry Mistletoe, and Arctic Frost. So, of course, Spellbinders is... Sharon would like daubers. Can we put a post-it note on the dauber case and put Sharon? Thank you, Sharon. We got you covered. Okay, so we were mentioning penguins. Like, how cute are these? And no, I don't have them yet, but they might. So they're pretty cute. This, oh my gosh, I have a surprise coming up with this one. We're doing a pre-recorded class with this one. Should we give you a teaser? If you want a teaser of what that class entails, just give me send some love and some thumbs up, some hearts, anything. Sharon, can you go upstairs and grab those cards, please? The work boots. Okay, we're just going to get those cards, and I will give you a one sneak peek, until we get it organized. Here's the work boots, and I had a customer, very lovely, Carol. She gave me one of these and had it all done. They are awesome. Okay, so going back to this one, I'm going to show you one card. Which one's your favorite? Okay, one card of what's coming. Okay, so this one here is called Vintage Layered Ornaments. It reminded me so much of my mom and dad's Christmas tree, but here is the sample of what we're going to be offering in the class. But if you want to make your own, you can grab it. Here it is. Oohs and ahs. How many brings that back to your childhood, right? So that one is called Vintage Layered Ornaments. It's $30.59. I got mine yesterday, so I was able to play with that. Oh, I'm glad you guys like it. I think it's one of my favorites of the season. I have many favorites, though. Okay, so back in stock is the Bestie Heart in Hand. Hey, Trish. Bestie Heart in Hand. Beautiful. And this is the clear stamp set. So this came in Better Press for the alphabets and stuff that we did. Let me see if I have my card handy. Just bear with me for a moment. Where's the other basket? Bear with me. I'm just going to try to find the sample so I can show you what it does. No, it's another basket like this. Similar but different. Okay, I don't know where it is right now, so I can't show you. Anyways, it came, so, oh, here. It does these letters and beads. So this is the stamp set instead of doing the Better Press. Hi, Tamara. So this is the die to do all of these little alphabets, and then you have your sentiments all with it. So there's what comes in it. And this one, let me see, Classic Christmas Tree, Simon Hurley. I think I have this one. I haven't played with it yet. So there's that one. Of course, this has been super popular in the store, is the Emerald Cut Labels. Now, what they also did was they have a shaker dome that works with this as well. So there is a shaker dome for that one available now. I like this one because they did it up like a tag so that you can actually punch it. You can put a sentiment in there, or you can just use it as like a little to and from tag. Cute, cute. Poinsettia spray, one of my favorites. I have this one too. Surprise, right, guys? And there's all the pieces. What is awesome, they did lefts and rights of the leaves, and they gave you lots of the same die cuts, so you're not cutting like one leaf, one leaf, one leaf. You can cut a whole bunch of those. For those that joined in late, I'm just going to review this one. That was the vintage layered ornaments from Spellbinders, and we're working on a class, and here's a teaser. So if you're interested in the class, put in vintage class. You're not committing to it, but it gives us an idea of who would be interested in the workshop. This one here is a bundle. So we missed the first round when Spellbinders had it. So for $48.49, this has the little houses and the little trees. They're not so small. You know, they're a good size to work with. And then the mantle too. Oh, I can use that. Just thinking about something else I was making, and I thought I could use a banner, but that's perfect. So this one says Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and there's your little banners all cut out. It is adorable. I might need that one. Alrighty. Okay, good idea, Trish. Thank you. And then last but least, we got some more 3D toppers in. If you look online as well, we did create a card buffet with the toppers. Everything is embossed. Everything is die cut. You just put the toppers together, follow the instruction sheet on how to assemble it, and you will have 10 gorgeous cards using the toppers. Here we go. It's gnomes. Very, very cute. There's 10 different ones in each package. So this one is winter gnomes. This one is Christmas gnomes. This one here is Christmas. It's a brand new one. One for Carol. This one is called Christmas. Cuddling owls. It's very, very cute. Coffee cups. How many of you like the 3D toppers? And do you know what to do with them? A lot of people, I was kind of surprised. They really didn't know how to work them. So we made a kit that has all the instructions. So, and this is the last one. It's Christmas trees. So that is that for the unboxing today. I appreciate everybody that joined in. And again, you can go to the website, classact.ca, and Tamara would like the cuddling owls. They're the hunky-dory toppers. Thank you, Tamara. Got you for that. Sorry, see, lost my train of thought. Oh, classact.ca. Go to unboxing, click November. And that's where you're going to find all the goodies plus more. I'm sure there's lots of processing still going on behind the scenes. So thanks for joining in. I appreciate you all. And take care. Mwah. See you hopefully sooner than later. Bye, guys.